Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lamoille, or 8 miles southwest of Mendota, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Locations impacted include Mendota, Troy Grove, Prairie Center, and Triumph, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile marker 63 and 77. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.